Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically download recommended music on Amazon. And you download music that it recommends to you so you can play it offline. Alright? Now, but before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by KahindoTech. They are a very eco-friendly brand. Most of their goods are made from recycled or repurposed material. They use production methods and facilities that release the least amount of toxic chemicals and zero emissions into the environment. If you care about the environment and have a sense of fashion, shop at KahindoTech. I have their link in my video description. Click their link in my video description and check them out. And they basically sell apparel, hammocks, blankets, accessories, all type of accessories for him and her. And so check them out and let me know what you think in the comment section. All right, let's get back to Amazon Music. To automatically download recommended music on Amazon Music, first you just open the app like I have here. Now, once you open the app, go to the browse page. Once you're here, look on the upper right hand corner. Do you see these three dots up here? Tap on those and there'll be a menu that will appear on the bottom of your screen. There it is. Now, once this appears, click on here where it says settings. All right, this comes up. If you scroll down, do you see over here where it says offline recommendation? And this will allow automatic download of Amazon Music recommended for you. So right now it's blank like this. That means it's off. If we press it once, it will turn blue. Now that means it's on. That's how you turn it on. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And definitely don't forget to check out KahindoTech. They are very eco-friendly brand. Like I said, I have their link in my video description. So check them out and let me know what you think. And don't forget to like the video if you liked it. And definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.